Hello everybody, my name is Eric, and today we're going to be doing another one of these malware running videos in a VM. We got this fake Optifine, which was put out by the user Focus Free, who I assume is just a, your typical con artist. Logic Pro, yeah, lots of different malware being available to download. I don't have a Mac to test this on, but I would not recommend running this. Download the full version for Mac. I think these are all the same. These are all bots. Okay. Premiere Pro. So most of these have been Mac so far, but I don't know why that is. I guess it's because it's kind of actually hard to find cracks for Mac, but here we go. Optifine 1.15. So now we're going to go back to the VM. The same VM we used to do will create, but it doesn't really matter. It never hurts to install more malware, so if you're looking for Optifine 1.15, it does not exist. It will be out relatively soon from what I've heard from the developer, but it is not here yet. Here we go. So this is our friend, and you can see. So now let's download this and see what we're going to get. Let's just go for 1.15.1. I don't actually think we need to have Minecraft installed. If it errors about that, we can download it. Seems legit. Okay, well, it's not commonly downloaded and may be dangerous, but I want to keep it anyways, because I'm trying to get hacked. Okay, so even Chrome knows this is not legit. Yeah, that does not look like a real website. ease.pw. No, actually extracted. Yeah, no. Wait, where'd our file go? We don't have antivirus on this. Oh, we have security essentials, maybe. We can just run it within the file. Doesn't make any... No. Let me get hacked. Okay, no, that's what we'll create. So is it going to let us actually run the malware this time? Tactile items. So I guess... Yeah, okay. How do we... Can we just... No, I'm not going to... I don't think I need to turn off security essentials as long as I just tell it that I actually... Okay, boom. We should now be hacked. That'd be hilarious if it was just another identical will create clone, or if security essentials stopped it. Let's just see if we've got any... Oh, we don't seem to have any new friends there. Don't know what that file's for. No signs of it. Maybe it's gonna manifest itself somewhere else. Windows. So far. Oh, right, we gotta turn on hidden files, but so far I actually don't know where that went and what that did. Let's just... Allowed items. Let's get rid of these two. Let's not allow them. Now let's just run a scan and see where this might have gone. But definitely not real. I mean, it doesn't exist. The size of the file makes me think that it actually might be the same sort of payload as... we can't actually see what's in here. As will create or something similar. Although it doesn't have a lot of crap, but that doesn't mean it's real. So let's see what Security Essentials thinks, and if it has actually done anything. I assume most logical thought is that it's some sort of Minecraft account stealer, and what it will actually do is if you have a Minecraft account on this computer, which luckily we don't, it would actually just steal the credentials, send them off to some hackers, and that's how these alt shops, where they sell alt accounts, which are basically just hacked and stolen Minecraft accounts. I don't recommend buying them. They're not going to be legit. No one's going to sell you an account for a game that costs $26 for $4. It doesn't make sense. And here we can see I'm just kind of interested to see how they edit this. I've already actually flagged this video. I've already asked YouTube to take this down, so hopefully they will get back to me shortly and actually take this video down, because a lot of people have been flagging it, it's not coming down, so I've told YouTube to take it down. Oh, okay. Interesting. So he's got a 960M. Now let's see. Is he going to hit F3? I just want to see him hit F3 so we can see how fake this motherfucker is. Just want to see this fake. Come on. Okay. Well, while we're waiting for the scan, why don't we just take a look at some of this guy's other videos? How to download Photoshop for Mac. Okay, Minecraft. Oh, these are both the same. Oh, this is a reupload. Okay. He knows. Now let's see what he does here. This is from the same place as before. That's interesting. His actually run? Okay, no. So he doesn't ever show the part where Minecraft opens. He doesn't hit F3, so no, it's just fake. Okay. So let's see what else he's got. How to download Photoshop for Mac. Free Photoshop. Why does he keep uploading them? I don't know. It must be some sort of black hat technique to try and get more views. Okay. These kinda... I think TNT is legit, though. Maybe? Photoshop by TNT. Okay. What does it do? Does it actually do anything? Could just be could be a faker. What often happens is you end up with a Trojan where you do actually get your Photoshop, but you also get something else. And I'm just gonna... I wonder if Jan Rithy is a person. Maybe not. Because to me that just kind of seems like, could this be a stolen video? Or I'm sure our hacker boy would never do something like that. No, maybe it's not. But PUBG Mobile... okay, let's just translate this. I have a feeling this is going to be hacks. PUBG Mobile hacks, Game Guardian, host script. Yeah, no, this is hacks. Okay, so we can get hacks, we can get... I hate this thing. You just got to do unknown now to get the skin changer. Okay, let's download the skin changer. Let's get hacked. There you go. Where's my download? Why don't I just need to learn Russian. Okay. This might just be a monetized link. Make money forwarding links. Okay. Yeah, I know how this... Okay. No, I'm not going to allow notifications. Oh, that's fake. Hope you... Yeah, no, I'm not going to allow notifications. I'm not trying to get... Okay. Block. Maybe if we click the fake allow, that might do something. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay. Let's just try this one more time. So if we actually allow it, which we are probably going to revoke, because obviously we don't actually want notifications. Settings. How do we... privacy and security, maybe it's under... No notifications. I don't really care because it's VM anyways, but... Allow. Block. Good. There we go. We now have a CSGO skin changer that is also probably malware. Okay, good. Now let's just... Okay. Windows Defender, you are too small. Or whatever you're called. Security Essentials. So why don't we just get rid of Security Essentials? Because we don't need security. We're getting hacked. Tonight we're going to get... where we don't need any of this. Okay, so it should turn on Windows Defender, but that doesn't do anything against viruses. Okay, yes, but now... Let's see what this one actually does then. Nothing? There's some sort of stealer pistols, it's called. And note how nothing happens, just like our friend will create. Now, it's also possible that this is VM aware and nothing is happening because it knows it's being run in a VM. So let's also now just run this again without the antivirus and same file. Like literally the exact same file. Pistols from Germany, digital signatures. It is signed by Ashempoo GmbH. Personally, I wouldn't trust Ashempoo, whatever the hell they're called, GmbH, but that's up to you. Now let's... Where do we... That's will create. We don't... Okay, we have Malwarebytes. So let's just run that. The heck? Okay, it has actually... Let's see what Malwarebytes has to say about CSGO Changer and all of these other, obviously not scam. Let's just also see if we can see any signs of CSGO Changer. Probably not. Yeah, we do have auto runs on this computer. Good. Auto runs. I don't care. We don't have to always ask. Okay. And this will show automatically if it sees something that looks fishy. Anti-malware. Okay, nothing. Okay. So, users test documents. Oh, those were Trojan.task. I think this is just... Those are will create payload copies I intentionally made, but that's good that those are now being picked up. And this is just... Apparently this is an adware downloader. So it probably installs toolbars and shit. So let's just get rid of these. Yeah, we'll ignore those two. There you go. Problem solved. So that's going to be all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't download this Optifine. This entire channel is a scam channel. Hopefully it won't be around much longer, because I don't want anyone else to fall victim to this. Bye.